Everyone, it's Joanne. I gotta let you in on my secret. This is hands down my go-to root touch-up when I'm not ready to book a salon visit. I've used the Clairol Root Touch-Up. This is by Nice and Easy for years, and it's always saved me by covering up these grays completely. I love that it blends in wonderfully with my natural hair color. I have the really dark brown hair, so I use the dark brown shades. And I love how seamless it looks. You don't see any of the grays around my hair, around my face. This is usually where it comes in, is right around my face and maybe right up in here. And this touch-up does great. It looks clean. It looks like a natural color, and it's super easy to use. So it comes with all the things in one box. You get the instructions, super easy instructions. And I like to use it as my mat too, to cover up my countertop. And it comes in different languages, but so find the English one so I can read it for me. So I use it as my mat. It comes with your plastic tray and your two formulas to add together, stir it up in your plastic tray. And this brush, super comfortable to use. I like that it splits my hair when I need to, and it combs right in, so you get the product in good. And it comes with the plastic gloves so I don't get dye all over my hands. Now I love that it doesn't have the weird red or purple undertones that sometimes you get with the boxed colors. This just looks clean, natural, and blendable. So this root touch-up, it's quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for the in-between salon visits. I love it.